Hello everyone, today is Friday, March 15th. It's 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 5 minutes after the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on my right, and on my left is the time in sales showing the EMini S&P trading at 28.27 1/4. Pretty good day for the auto trader today. The DAX again hitting its goal on the Super Renko 14 tick. The larger goal of 3,500 was hit here with these two back-to-back trades. This might have went much further, as you can see, but still hit its goal 2 days in a row. If you had a weekly or monthly goal on this, you might be done for the week or the month, hitting your goal of 3,500 a couple of days in a row. So the goal on this 3,550, this hit its goal with no slippage. Okay, the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick with the $2,000 goal hit its goal and had some slippage on these two trades back to back. There's slightly different money management in these two charts, but still the DAX showing strength as it usually does. Okay, a pretty spectacular trade on the NASDAQ 5-minute chart. We got filled on our limit fill. You can very clearly see it on this pullback here. It's a limit order with a pullback of 20 ticks, which is 5 points in the DAX. It's quite a bit, but notice the pullback here was right to the volatility stop. So really excellent placement of the entry here. And then the first contract was out at the high of the day. Pretty impressive. And then we trail stopped out here, and this has a pretty steep goal of 3,500, but we did 1675 for the day on this chart. Okay, the EMini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick did 800 for the day. There was a minor drawdown here of only about $150, and the goal on this is 850, and this is the Super Renko 4 tick higher time frame with a higher sensitivity. This chart has done exceptionally well since I've begun to show it. Probably win rate on this is 75% or better. Okay, the ES on a regular 5 Renko chart only drew down about $250 here, or $125 per contract. This one has the higher time frame of Super Renko 6. So this hit its goal of 800 and had 1 tick of slippage. Okay, the DAX on a Super Renko 6 tick was very prematurely stopped out here, unfortunately, and this did 925 for the day, but this could have been a gymongous trade. Really great fill here, but very conservative. We have a goal of 2,500, but still, even if it hit our goal, we probably would have made it only this far. This went really far. This is a limit pullback with 18 ticks, so quite a bit, going for a deep pullback. And our money management here took us out of the trade a little bit early. Nevertheless, we still did 925 for the day. Okay, next is the EMini S&P on a Super Renko 6 tick chart, and this hit its goal of 750, I believe, on a single trade. And this is just a pretty straightforward setup, pretty sensitive setting on the sensitivity of 0.7. and no higher time frame filter, and well, trailing stops at 24 bars, 24 ticks, trailing by 3 bars. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 8 tick chart with our daily range filter had 2 long trades here. You can see it here, and this did 600 for the day, and the goal on this is 1,200. But still, two winning trades with no drawdown. The EMini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart had a winner, a loser, and a winner, and basically ended up with 475 for the day. The EMini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick, which looks like to be the 60-minute higher time frame. No, this is the Super Renko 5 tick as a higher time frame. This has a goal of 750 and did 400 for the day on a single trade. The bonds on a 150 line break chart had a modest gain of 125. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.